Hello you! Welcome back to the next part of the Star Wars Masterclass. In this video I simply destroy what I did so far with reason and also tell you if I managed to bring it all together again.
Dancing in the shadows, you and me. Feel the heat rise like a fever pitch. One of these days I'll flick the switch. Got that rhythm when the sparks will glow. Time moves fast and we need to go slow down and sink again. Listen, I'm gonna make you feel so good. I'm gonna make you feel so good.
These videos come to you in collaboration with Mindwork Studio, and the miniature of the Star Watch is actually from their recent Kickstarter to bring the art of Braum into the worlds of miniatures. You can find all relevant links below. Like I said, in all the earlier videos I really want to create the closest tribute to Braum's original artwork that is possible with the sculpt of Mindwork Studio and with my actual level of skill. In the last video I encountered a tiny but fatal error in the build that I did. Some asked me to explain this a bit more detailed. Here we go. Well, look at the original artwork and look back to my piece. Look at the original artwork again and back to my piece. Back to the original artwork, back to my piece. Back to the original artwork. Now, when you draw a symmetrical center line in the middle of the faces, following its shape and combine it with a line of the eyes, of course on both characters, you see the direction their faces are turning. This is the original. This is mine. Original, mine. Both beside each other. If you look closely, you can see that my project, that the eyes and the lines on my project, mine are slightly turned in the wrong angle. It is not much, and fair enough, I could have just said ignore it, but by going all in on the tribute, I can't ignore it. So I will rip it all off, hope to not damage too much, and then glue both back on the base into the right angle. There was a gap at the base edge too that I hope to erase on the go. Let's get it on then! With chisel and force and maybe not too much care, I'm doing this. Right now is the point where I should speak about how I feel and how hard it is to do, and yeah. It is brutal, but I decided for it and there is no other option. The longer I wait, the more doubt... Oh shit, okay, ouch. Enjoy. Well, it is off. Did it feel great? No. Do I like the result? No, not right now. First thing is, it is time to check the damage. I broke the base, the limbs of the Centaur need to get glued back, and minor painting damage must be repaired here and there. Bummer, but what did I expect? Just look at my tools. Let's prepare it all for the grand repair. The grand repair! Sanding, gluing, pushing forward. When everything was ready, I took very much care to find the right angle, and honestly it was just some micromillimeters of change, but an important one for me. And this is what matters. Now I have to use putty, paint, and time to repair it all. Here's some insight. Enjoy. So it's glued back in position now, in a better position that I want. Now I got to repair damage on the base and therefore decided to not use putty at all. I go for the lazy but effective method in closing gaps with loads of superglue and accelerator. I bet no one will see the difference. I will use some cork pieces to be added to the scene before repainting it all. Here are some insights.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up!